Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu with yogurt. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need ladyfingers, strong brewed coffee or espresso, and cocoa powder for dusting. This recipe offers a delicious, lighter twist on the classic Italian dessert, perfect for any occasion. We'll be replacing some traditional elements with yogurt to create a fresh, tangy flavor profile. Next, let's create the star of our tiramisu, the yogurt cream. In a bowl, combine 2 1/2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt with 9 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Whisk these together until smooth. Sweeten the mixture with about 3 tablespoons of honey or powdered sugar, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. This blend gives you a rich, yet lighter, creamy texture. Now for the fun part. Assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into your cooled brewed coffee or espresso. Be careful not to oversoak them, or they'll become too soft. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of an 8-inch by 12-inch baking dish. Spread 1/3 of your yogurt cream mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers 2 more times, finishing with a smooth layer of the yogurt cream on top. Finally, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the ladyfingers to soften perfectly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with cocoa powder. Slice and enjoy your delicious, lighter tiramisu. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.